We're now going to see how to use some more advanced search tools in Biopsych to search for genes or proteins via multiple different criteria. These searches are going to be against the E. coli EcoPsych database, which is one of the crown jewels of Biopsych. It's been curated for more than 42,000 publications over more than 20 years. To do these searches, we're going to go under the Tools search menu to search genes, proteins, or RNAs. And you can see that there are many different types of searches here. We're going to focus on the searches down in this region. Each one of these shaded lines provides a different type of search based on different properties of a gene or protein. So for example, we can start with a real simple sequence length-based search. We can search for all E. coli proteins with more than 1,000 amino acids. Let's submit that query. Here's our result. There are 60 such proteins. We can sort by their length right here. Now, if we go back, we can add a second criterion to this search. So for example, we can ask for those proteins whose pi is greater than 9, as well as having their sequence length greater than 1,000. And we got one result this time. So both criteria were used. Now this time we're going to close these two boxes, and we're going to do a search based on the type of gene product or subunits. So for example, we could search for all E. coli pseudogenes, all E. coli transfer RNAs, all monomers, or all multimers, or all heteromultimers. Let's search for the heteromultimers defined in E. coli in EcoPsych. We get almost 300 results, and for each one, it lists the name of the gene product and the genes that provide the subunits. Now let's close down that option and let's do a different search based on gene ontology terms. Gene ontology is a large classification system of molecular functions, cellular components, and biological processes. We're going to do a biological process search involving the cellular process of cell killing. So let's select that box. And what this search is going to do is to search for all E. coli genes that are annotated with a Go term as being involved in cell killing. And we will submit our search, and here's our result. We found 8 genes in E. coli.